If you want to watch a program you missed, press on the green button on your remote control to access Catch-up TV. Then, key in your channel number or scroll down the list of channels to access the available programs on Catch-up TV. Then, using your navigation keys, browse to select the program you want to watch. Press OK to select, and then press play.
Oh, regardez-moi ça! Là, on a la poutine classique, mais nous, on va l'améliorer.
For more options, press the filter button on your remote control. Now you can watch any program you missed during the last 7 days. Press OK to select the date, and then press OK to select the program, and finally, press on play to watch the episode.
2 bols de fromage, là. On va pas les laisser se perdre.
D'accord. Quelque chose me dit que...